beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming and clicking on my video. If you guys would like to see how I created this look without going to the nail salon, then stay tuned. In this video, I'll be using the Kiss Color press-on nails, the Salon Color Ready to Wear press-on nails, and these are long. I'm going to go ahead and prep my nails off the camera. When I mean prep, I mean file my nails and cut my cuticles and push my cuticles back. And also, you will need some oil. The oil that I'll be using is some jojoba oil. This is how my nails are looking after being prepped, and I went ahead and took an alcohol pad and just wiped the surface of my nail off so that I don't have extra dirt or extra oils onto my nails. I went ahead and measured my nails to the press-on nails off the camera. Now they do have a little number in the back that makes it easier to find the other pair. You don't want it to be too small because you'll see your real nail underneath, and you don't want it to be too big because it will fall off way quicker. Now the glue that I'm using is super glue, and I already have it measured perfectly how I want it to be, and I have the thumbs, the index, the middle, the rings, and the pinkies. I both have the left and the right hand together so that it's way easier. Now when you put the glue on the press-on nail and you put the press-on nail on your nail, you want to make sure to hold it down for at least 20 seconds. This is going to ensure you that you have a really nice tight hold, and this is what's going to make it last longer. I know somebody's going to ask me, oh my gosh, you're using super glue? Yes, I'm using super glue because you can use super glue. Super glue, it works just as well as nail glue. Super glue works just as well as nail glue, as hair glue works just as well as lash glue for your lashes. If you want it to last you a couple days, you need to make sure that you're holding it down for at least 20 seconds. This is very crucial because this is what's going to make it last and hold and stick onto your natural nail. If you guys are wondering where the number is on the press-on nails, it's right at the top right there. Do you see that number 5? The number just lets you know that you're using the same nails so that you don't have one different nail on the left hand and one different nail on the right hand. Another tip that I would suggest is when you're putting your nail down after the glue has been on the press-on nail, you want to make sure that you're putting it as closely to the nail bed as possible. It just gives it a really nice natural look. Another tip is when you're applying the glue to the press-on nails, you see how it's getting a little stuck right there? Yeah, no. It's because you want to use the smallest amount of glue as possible. Just whatever comes out the bottle when you squeeze it. Very, very little. Because if not, it will get on the cuticles and on your nails, and it can get pretty messy. So we want to avoid that. Okay, so we're gonna finish this off with our jojoba oil, moisturize our cuticles, and just basically put more moisture into our cuticles. Now I'm going to take a dime size amount of the jojoba oil and use it to moisturize my hands as well. And this is the finished product. So if you guys have stayed to this far, it means a lot to me. It's well appreciated. Don't forget to like this video. And if you have any tips or suggestions, don't forget to comment. Thank you guys for watching till this far. It's greatly appreciated again. And XOXO, Rari. See you guys in my next video. And it's always a fun time with you guys.